In this world we live in, there are many problems that we must solve from up close. Let's look at how big data is influencing our daily lives, used to provide various services, and changing our lives. The government is making efforts to make positive changes to help the people lead a more convenient and safer lives. The Ministry of Interior and Safety selected 5 new projects through 2017 Public Big Data Analysis to provide scientific administrative support based on big data. The first project is to identify patients experiencing excessively frequent traffic accidents to find insurance suspect frauds and prevent car insurance leaks. To solve the increasing problem of insurance fraud, the Health Insurance Review and Assessment Service worked with private insurance companies, Financial Supervisory Service, and insurance assessment workers to analyze insurance fraud protection systems in major institutions. As a result, we were able to find abnormal patterns exhibited by patients with excessive numbers of traffic accidents. This allowed the insurance community to detect abnormal patterns, find suspicious medical institutions, and use that information in car insurance assessments later. The second project is to analyze suspects for military draft evaders using big data. While the methods used to evade the military draft are evolving, the lack of investigators and the complexity involved with investigating such cases have prevented an effective law enforcement in this area. In response, the Military Manpower Service analyzed data from related institutions about military draft evasion suspects to preemptively identify such individuals. This allowed the service to enforce a fair military draft system and create a social atmosphere in which those who fulfill their service are respected and honored. The third project is to create a way to encourage the use of electric vehicles using big data. As the number of electric vehicles increases, the city of Daegu analyzed and selected the optimal locations for charging stations by analyzing big data in order to minimize the inconveniences experienced by electric vehicle drivers. By selecting the optimal locations for charging stations, the city was able to use its budget more efficiently, in addition to minimizing inconvenience in electric vehicle charging, which added to the efforts to promote the use of electric vehicles. The fourth project is to improve the support infrastructure and economy in the areas with high immigrant populations. Working with the city of Ansan, which has the highest immigrant population in Korea, the Ministry of Interior and Safety analyzed data on immigrants and complaints filed by them to create a plan to improve support structure and vitalize local economies. The analysis allowed the government to create public order plans to reduce conflicts between Koreans and the immigrants, decrease anxiety over policing issues, and prevent crimes. In addition, the project analyzed the effect of foreign immigrants on the economy of Ansan, which can be used to create policies to vitalize the local economy. The last project is to prevent the loss of human life and property caused by the increasing accidents on the expressway. In order to solve this problem, Korea Transportation Safety Authority used big data to analyze the 5 most dangerous driving behaviors of speeding, rapid acceleration, rapid deceleration, unexpected lane changes, and abnormal driving behaviors to predict high-risk sectors on Gyeongbu Expressway. The results of the big data analysis will be used to train driving professionals and to create plans to install road safety equipment. In addition to the new analysis projects, the Ministry of Interior and Safety also developed 6 standard analysis models. Central government agencies, local governments, and public agencies are analyzing big data independently with each other, but such analysis efforts may overlap with each other, and individual agencies were experiencing difficulty applying and utilizing the results. In response, the Ministry of Interior and Safety is making an effort to develop standard analysis models that can be continuously used for administrative tasks, which will prevent overlapping budget investments and expand better practice cases. From local tax delinquency data to water pipe leaks, golden time, donated resources, customized job recommendations, and road management, the Ministry is developing standard analysis models in various areas to improve the quality of public big data. This project enables the public workers to analyze big data for their work in a more convenient and rapid manner. Administrative improvements through public big data is made possible through the standard analysis models. Things we may brush off as insignificant can be accumulated as big data to make our lives more meaningful and valuable. This is the ultimate objective of big data. Public big data changes the administrative system for the people that changes their lives.